Today we'll discuss how to upload and download PDF files in ASP.NET Core with C#. Upload a PDF, watermark it, store it, list it, download it, generate a fresh invoice, and merge everything into one single merged PDF document, all from one ASP.NET Core controller. That is the app that we're building today, and it runs on 4 moving parts. So, quick prerequisite before we touch any code. You need a database set up and connected to your ASP.NET Core application. Install IronPDF and install Entity Framework, and set up a license key so that everything works correctly. If those are sorted, you're ready to go. So let me show you the end state first. The UI lives in a PDF folder under Views. There are 2 upload forms, one for normal uploads and one for uploading PDFs with a watermark. There is a button to generate an invoice PDF on the fly, and below that, a table listing uploaded PDFs with file name, upload date, and download option. So that is what we're wiring up. So over to the controller. We are working in PDF controller, and the first move is to inject database context so we can read and write stored PDF files. So now the basic upload. The upload action takes a file, runs validate that a file is selected, and runs validate that a file is a PDF. If both checks pass, we read the file into a memory stream and then store it in the database along with file metadata, file name, and upload date. That's it. That's the whole upload path. You're done. So watermarking is where IronPDF starts to earn its keep. In the upload with watermark action, we load the uploaded file into an IronPDF PDF document. Then we apply an HTML-based watermark confidential with rotation, opacity, and alignment. And the result is a watermarked PDF saved back to the database, replacing the original with a watermarked version. So it's one action, 2 responsibilities, no temp files on disk. Listing and downloading are the easy half. The index action pulls every record from the database and hands it to the view, which is what populates that table. The download action takes an ID, fetches the matching file, and produces a downloadable PDF returned by download action. Just standard MVC, nothing exotic. All right, so now the bonus. Generate invoice builds an HTML template for an invoice in code, hands it to the Chrome PDF renderer, and then converts the HTML straight into invoice PDF return to user for download. No template engine, no PDF designer, just HTML. And one more, merge all, loads every stored PDF and combines them into a single merged PDF document. So useful for batch reports, end of the month bundles, or anywhere you need one file instead of 50. And that's it. You run the app, upload a few PDFs, try the watermark, hit download, and generate an invoice, and merge the lot. 6 actions, 1 controller, and IronPDF doing the heavy lifting on the PDF side, and Entity Framework holding the storage layers. We hope this tutorial helped you, and if it saves some time, check out the IronPDF free trial on our website. Download and install to take advantage of the full library on your own files. Plus, we have plenty more ASP.NET Core tutorials coming up on this channel, so make sure that you subscribe.